Hi guys, I've had a delivery, so let's open this puppy. Exciting stuff. This is all from Thunderbike in Germany. I couldn't help myself. Oh, check that out. Had to be done. Harley Davidson belt buckle. So that's that. I also couldn't help myself. I had to get myself a Thunderbike t-shirt. That's cool. Oh yeah, I also got some stickers, so that's pretty cool. And then the main thing, which is all the money. Wow, look how small that is. Look how small it is. Don't know if you can see that. $249. Sorry, 249 euros. So let's get this out of here. Okay, let's try that again because the battery went flat. Right, so that's the actual unit itself, the back light. I should just... Oh wow. Yeah, that's good quality, that is. Righty. So basically, that is going to go like that. I'm not sure you're going to be able to see. Like that. I just had a look at the instructions and thought, oh, bollocks. Because the only German I know is like Ich habe kein Busenhalter, mein Herr, which is I have no bra, sir. And that's quite useful actually. You'll be surprised how often you need that in your life. Ich habe kein Busenhalter, I have no bra. And mein Leberwurst ist good, yeah? My love sausage is good, yes? Well, pretty much. Sort of. Anyway, so I'm looking at it, it's all in German, and I thought... oh, it's in English, apart from the wiring diagram is in German. So they've taken the time to do it twice. Oh, that's weird, isn't it? They've taken the time to do it all twice, but they've left the wiring loom. It's only the colours. The wiring loom colours, I don't know if you're even seeing this, they're exactly the same. Schwartz, violet, yeah, it's the same. Wow. So they've taken the time to do the wiring diagram and everything twice and left it in German still. That's a bit bizarre, but still, let's have a little look-see then. Okay, so I've got the bike on the lift now. Taking the number plate off. Just got to take this tow bar off the back. Looks like it's just 3 hex heads, 2 down there, 1 there. I'm thinking that this bar here is going to be holding the I was going to say chain guard, belt guard. That's obviously fixed to there. So in the kit that you can buy for a side mounted number plate, there's a funny piece of metal like a hockey stick kind of shape. That's obviously what that's for. It's going to mount here and then to this. But anyway, we can make some up for that. Right, let's get that off. Okay, Let's get the rear mudguard off. One thing that's a bit crap about filming it all is I can't have my music on. But never mind. Can't have it all. Right, I'll get this mudguard off. And I'm guessing that the wires for the back lights are going to go up through this this bar here. Oh, there they are. Oh right, yeah they do. Oh, it's not as complicated as I even thought that was going to be. I thought they were going to be inside it. I'm hoping that we can make a rear hugger that's going to be made of metal that fixes in the same as where these are. These screws are going. Not sure if that's going to work or not. I'm looking forward to seeing this back tyre. Well, it looks like this rear mudguard is only held on with 4 Torx bits. Sorry, Torx screws. So once this is off, that is that. That is that off. Oh, that's that off. I've noticed the belt guard. It does fix in behind there. There's a Torx bolt there in the back. I wish I knew how to get this bloody camera to focus on stuff. It's a real pain in the ass. It's a Canon M50, if anybody knows how I'm supposed to... Do I touch on the screen? Oh! I think I just sussed it. Okay, so that's what I was trying to show you, that bolt there. Okay. Get this bolt out of here. So now it's these 3 here. On here now. I'm not sure if the wiring's going to, if there's going to be a plug sticking out of here, or I can feel the wire underneath this part of the swing arm. So I don't know if there's going to be like a join, a plug here. Ah, they're Loctited in, that's why they're a bit of a bastard to get out. Oh, I bet that music's too loud, isn't it? Better turn that down. Oh. Nearly there. Ah, there is a plug. There is a plug there. Okay. Oh, there we go. So that's that off. Already, look at the difference. You know what I'm saying? That's more like it, isn't it? Now we're talking turkey. I've just noticed that to get this off, in behind, don't know if this is going to work, can you see in the mirror just there, there's a hex screw. So there's one there, and there's also another one further down. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get them out without taking the back wheel off. Okay, that'll do for part 1, guys. Come back for part 2 and see how I'm getting on. I think I'm going to have to take the rear wheel out to get this little bracket that holds this plug on. I was wondering if I'd leave that plug there because I'd need the number plate light wire. But I don't think I'm going to need all this plug just for one wire. I mean, there's the other end of that there, and the number plate light was in there, but I don't think I'll need all that. So I'm going to leave that at that for now, and then just to make the videos a bit shorter, rather than me waffling on and talking loads of crap, please subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whichever you think. Leave a comment, that'd be awesome. And so yeah, come back for part 2. Thanks guys, cheers, love you all.